What I've done here is I've done a screen grab of the university's webpage. There's a COVID link at the top. To be honest with you, this is probably the best way to keep up with the information as to what's going on, and I would say at this point it seems like it's changing every day. As you can see, we will do remote instruction for the rest of the semester. Beyond that, I honestly don't know. As I said, it changes every day, so what I would tell you is that give you an example. My kids are in school in Palm Beach County, and the school district has now extended their time off through April 15th, and I would not be shocked if that doesn't change. So, you have your stuff for this week. I'll be in touch next week about your second assignment, and then I'll be in touch after that to talk about the final exam. So it's unique, to say the least, guys. So keep up with everything, be vigilant, be smart. I know we're going to see some stuff for this for a long, long time. I'm sure some of you, and I hope this isn't true, but I'm sure some of you are probably seeing reduced hours where you work. You may see a reduction in income, and it's just awful. And I feel terrible for you. And again, there are resources at this university if you need them for anything. Please take advantage of them. We are still open, just not in the traditional sense. So, be safe and heed all the regulations and suggestions. It'd be my point. I think at this point now where, parties of more than 10 are discouraged. So that's probably a good thing until they get this figured out. And I wish I could tell you how long that's going to be, but I can't. So I'll be in touch again. Keep up with your studies, please. And if you have any questions, please email me, and I'm happy to answer them. Take care, guys.